How to view multiple workbooks at the same time. If you want to view multiple Excel workbooks at the same time, execute the following steps. Firstly, open two or more workbooks. Here I have opened two workbooks. On the View tab in the window group, click Arrange All. Click Arrange All. Select the desired arrange settings. For example, click Horizontal. Then click OK. You can see. On the View tab in window group, click View Side by Side. By default, the synchronous scrolling is activated. Click View Side by Side. This, this option scroll two documents at the same time. This is a great way to compare the documents dynamically. By this option, if we scroll, we can scroll both documents at the same time. Okay.